Flash into English. Understanding in a flash. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to illuminate a phrase that zips through English conversations in a flash. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these expressions can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive into the speedy world of this phrase and uncover its meaning together. In a flash is an idiomatic expression in English, which we often use to describe something happening very quickly or instantaneously. Imagine the brief moment you see the flash of a camera. That's how quick we're talking about. This phrase likely finds its roots in the 19th century, a time when photography was gaining ground. The flash of early cameras was sudden and bright, capturing a moment with speed. Today, we use "in a flash" to capture the essence of swift action in our conversations, not just photographs. Let's see how "in a flash" fits into everyday sentences. The room was dark, and then, in a flash, it was bright again. She answered the question in a flash, impressing everyone with her quick wit. The opportunity came and went in a flash. There was no time to hesitate. By using "in a flash" this way, we convey the speed and suddenness of an action. If you're looking to vary your vocabulary, here are some synonyms. Instantly, immediately, swiftly, rapidly. Each of these words can dance around the same meaning as "in a flash" when you're trying to describe something happening with haste. And there you have it. Now you can use "in a flash" in your conversations and understand when others use it, too. We hope this explanation was as enlightening as a quick camera flash. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be speaking English in a flash. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.